Atomic design is a methodology for creating design systems. It became popular in 2018 and has been used on some of the world's successful digital products like iOS and macOS. Everything is made of atoms in the chemical world, and the same theory could be applied in a design system. For example, text can be considered as atoms, so do their fonts and sizes. If we combine an atom with another atom, we can get a button, and that is a molecule. If we put different molecules together, we get a page with consistent design and styles and structures. Companies use atomic design for good reason. First, they are adaptive and flexible, which means that any of your new functions and pages will have the same style as your previous ones. You can easily add or subtract functions, and your users can quickly tell that they are using the same product. Second, atomic design makes things much easier for your developers. With limited UI elements, a developer won't confuse which one function from another, making it easier to expedite the development process, and your next release can go online sooner. I hope this tip was helpful. Don't forget to visit our website at void.com. This is San. You are watching UX Tips at Void. See you in the next one.